Hey guys, welcome back to Rev Render Garage. I know we told you one of the things that we wanted to focus on in this video is showing you how to take care of things in your garage projects, things like that, without having to spend a lot of money. So one of the things that I'm going to help you do today is to combat rust. Most of you probably already have everything you need in your household to do it. What I'm referring to, we've got a nice thing of water. I've got it in a queso container. You can use it in whatever container you want. I just like using queso because it reminds me of cheese, and now I'm getting hungry. Some tin foil. And then I have myself a towel because we're using water. It's probably gonna get wet. So let me get set up and we'll get started here. All right, so I wanna show you what we're working with here today. So this is a scooter that I picked up. Gonna be flipping it and just wanna get it dialed in a little bit more. Got it running, it runs great, drives like a Cadillac. But if you notice back here on the luggage rack, there is just all kinds of surface rust. And we're gonna show you today how to get rid of quite a bit of that. If it's pitted, things like that, there's not much you're gonna be able to do with that. If the chrome's been actually cracked or coming off, this is taking care of surface rust. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how to get this taken care of. Okay, so we've got our piece of foil that I showed you. It's folded in force there. Got our bucket of clear queso water. We're just gonna dip the foil in the water. It's gonna drip. It's gonna get on your floor and your pants and your shoes probably. And all we're gonna do is just sand. Just like we're using sandpaper on wood. And once you feel the foil starting to get a little dry, just go ahead and re-dip it in the water. It helps the foil last longer too. We'll get going on this one here. This one's got some real problem spots in the corner here. Like I said, it's not going to be perfect, and we are not about perfection on this channel. We are about making things look cool, look better, keeping those pennies in your pocket, especially in today's day and age. This is already looking a lot better. I know it's harder for you guys to see. See, this foil starts to get pretty ratted out. You gotta like keep folding it around, trying to find a good spot here. Let me grab a rag and let's see what it looks like here. Man, look at that. And voila. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like here. Okay, so we've had a chance to kind of go over the whole entire thing now. Might be a few little touch-up spots. I even got the top of this brake light. I don't truly believe that that is real metal, just based on the feel of it, but it did clean up a little bit. However, now I've just smeared fingerprints all over it. But look at this, you guys. There was so much surface rust. There's still a little tiny bit right there. Like I said, there's a few spots I've got to go back and touch up. But man, there was surface rust all over this entire thing. Looks 10 times better than it did. Hope you guys enjoy, and I hope it saves you guys some money. So make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget, tell all your friends.